Hello, my lovely decor enthusiasts. Welcome back to Decor, your home for seasonal decorating inspiration. Today, we're diving into a spring refresh with a focus on repurposing your winter decor to create a romantic farmhouse style. If you love blending coziness with charm, you're in the right place. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button like this video and share your thoughts in the comments below. We love hearing from you. Stick around because I'll be sharing tips that not only save money but also breathe fresh life into items you might already have. Whether you're a pro decorator or just starting out, these ideas will help you transition seamlessly from the winter chill to springtime blooms. Let's get started. Winter blankets and throws don't need to hibernate just because spring has arrived. Take those chunky knit throws and drape them casually over a bench or chair for a layered farmhouse look. Soft, neutral tones like cream, beige, or gray work wonderfully with the romantic style we're building. Pair these throws with lightweight floral or pastel accent pillows to create contrast. This combination of cozy winter materials and delicate spring patterns adds texture and charm to your space. Winter lanterns and candle holders can find a new life in spring. Simply swap out dark or holiday-themed candles for pastel shades, such as blush pink, mint green, or lavender. You'll be amazed how the color change instantly lightens the mood. For a romantic farmhouse vibe, add faux greenery or fresh flowers around the base of the lanterns. Eucalyptus and baby's breath are excellent choices that pair beautifully with the rustic charm of farmhouse decor. Garlands aren't just for the holidays. Winter garlands made of pine or evergreen can transition seamlessly by adding spring accents. Incorporate faux blossoms, such as cherry blossoms or roses, to give the garland a fresh, romantic feel. Hang these revamped garlands over doorways, mantels, or even as a centerpiece for your dining table. The combination of winter greens and spring blooms creates a lush, layered look that's perfect for farmhouse aesthetics. Take down your winter wreaths and give them a spring makeover. Start by removing any obviously winter elements like pine cones or snow-dusted details. Then add spring-inspired florals, such as peonies, hydrangeas, or daisies. For a farmhouse touch, consider incorporating burlap ribbons or a wooden monogram in the center of the wreath. Hang it on your front door to give visitors a warm, stylish welcome. Wooden trays, crates, or cutting boards from your winter decor can easily transition into spring. Use them as bases for floral arrangements or candle displays on your coffee or dining table. For added charm, include vintage touches like old books, mason jars, or distressed ceramics. This combination brings warmth and personality to your space while keeping things light and airy. Not all winter florals need to be packed away. White or neutral-colored faux flowers can work beautifully in spring arrangements. Pair them with greenery, soft pinks, or pastel blues for a balanced, seasonal look. Place these arrangements in galvanized buckets, ceramic vases, or even glass jars for that farmhouse touch. Don't be afraid to mix heights and textures for a dynamic display. If you've been using thick, textured rugs for winter, don't put them away just yet. Layer them with lighter jute or sisal rugs to create a cozy yet fresh foundation for your room. This layered look works particularly well in living rooms or bedrooms, adding depth while maintaining the casual elegance of a farmhouse aesthetic. Winter often has us showcasing modern metallics, but spring is the perfect time to lean into vintage vibes. Repurpose antique frames, mirrors, or wooden signs for your spring decor. These elements bring character and history into your space, complementing the soft, romantic farmhouse look we're aiming for. Your winter table settings can transform for spring with a few tweaks. Replace plaid or dark tone linens with soft lace, pastel napkins, or floral table runners. Use your existing dishes, but add fresh touches like seasonal flowers in mason jars or small greenery wreaths around plates for a polished, farmhouse-inspired tablescape. Winter decor often features heavy or dark accents, but you can easily repurpose some of these items. Wooden candlesticks, metal buckets, or distressed picture frames can all find a home in your spring setting. Pause 2.00s. Pair them with spring-inspired elements like floral prints, vintage books, or soft pastel accents to create a harmonious blend of the seasons. And that's a wrap, friends. I hope you feel inspired to refresh your home by repurposing your winter decor for a romantic farmhouse look this spring. If you loved this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more seasonal decorating ideas. Comment below with your favorite tip or how you'll be refreshing your space this spring. Thank you so much for watching Decor. Until next time, stay creative and cozy.